Hi teachers, I wanted to make a quick video to send to you to show you how to get started with Thursday night's Title I meeting, how to record, how to present, and also how to share the recording and the meeting attendance report back with Johnson and I. So Thursday's Title I event will be launched by clicking the link that I sent you tonight, Monday night, through your email for a Google Calendar event, or you can click the links that you see here for your specific grade level. This will be shared via social media so that our parents can join as well. So once you join, it's a regular Google Meet like we're all accustomed to. And you can see that I am a participant and I have one other participant, which is myself. Again, it's my cell phone, just so that I have more participants in the call. So when you have all of your participants there and you're ready to get started on Thursday night, you are going to first designate someone to record the meeting, and they are going to come down to the three dots and go up and hit record meeting. It can be any of your teammates that records the meeting and you want to hit that you accept, and you have notified everyone that they are being recorded. You can also see that it puts the red recording light in the upper left so that anyone who joins the meeting later knows they're being recorded. At that point, the person who is going to actually present is going to begin presenting their slides that Johnson made and shared with you all. And you will do that, or the presenter, whoever that might be, will do that by clicking here and going up to present. I usually do entire screen. You can do window if you want to be able to see. Either way works just fine. You'll click the screen and click share. And then you can go into your presentation slides. You can see I've just got a presentation that I've been building here that I could then present. So you'll talk through your slides. When you get toward the end, if you want to take questions and you want to see everyone's face, you can come down and hit stop sharing so that you can go back to the Google Meet screen and see everyone's face. But when you are truly finished with the meeting and everybody else has logged out, the person recording will need to come down into the bottom right-hand corner again to the three dots, click it, and go back up and hit stop recording. This notification asks you if you really want to stop. It says that a link will be sent to you. Yes, I want to stop. And at that point, you can then leave the meeting. So you're going to X out. You want to X out because in order to generate the attendance report, everyone needs to leave. So I'm Xing out here and I'm Xing out on my phone. So now everyone is gone. You'll then wait a few minutes, and in your email, you will have two different things. You will have a recording of the meeting, which you see here, and then a data sheet, which you see here. Now I have to stop and explain something for a second. The recording is the video I made just now. The meeting data, this is actually from a previous PD session because you must have 5 people in the session in order for it to generate an attendance report. And tonight I just had me. So I'm using that as an example, but as long as you have your teammates and a couple parents, you will get an attendance report. So you'll want to open up either one first. This is the video. You can probably just forward this email, but you can also open the actual video, come up to the 3 dots, click share, and type in Eric's name and my name, and then click done, and it will send it to us. We use this for Title I documentation purposes. Once you have shared the video, you will go back into your email, and you will find the meeting data form. You will want to open it up. And in this case, you will just want to forward this entire email. This is actually pretty cool. Before I forward it, I want to show you what it generates. Again, this is from a PD that I led this past Friday, and there were 5 of us that participated. So it gives you the participant's email, the time that they were there, the time they joined, and the time they exited. So this is actually pretty cool for your Google Meets that you're going to be conducting over the next 2.5 weeks. If you want an attendance report, it will email it to you as long as you record the session. So even if you don't really want the video, you can record it to get the attendance. So I'm going to go back and hit forward, type in Eric's name, my name, click send, and you are finished. Again, we appreciate your support, and we appreciate all that you are going to do Thursday night for the Title I sessions. Just make sure that at the end of the night you send us the recording and the attendance sheet. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you and have a great night.